Hello viewers. Today, we will show you how to process a sales cancelled note using SQL accounting software. A sales cancelled note is issued when an order is cancelled after a sales order has been generated. Now, I will show you how to process a sales cancelled note by transferring it from a sales order. To do this, select Customer. You may enter your description here. We are going to key in cancellation of furniture order as an example. Then, navigate to the sales cancelled note, right-click, and select Transfer from Sales Order. Next, choose the sales order you want to transfer and click OK. Then review the details to ensure everything is accurate, and click Save. Finally, the outstanding sales order will be cancelled. This ensures that when performing future transfers, the cancelled sales order will no longer appear as an option for selection. And that's it. We've successfully completed a sales cancelled note. Now, it's your turn. Try these steps and see how quickly you can get the hang of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our YouTube for the latest videos, follow us on Facebook to stay updated, visit our website for important guides. It's so easy.